Hello everybody, Alex here, and thank you for joining me. Today I have something special to share with you all. A very good client of ours commissioned us to build a writing desk for their daughter to match the one you see here. This would be the second desk that we build for the family. The first was for their home office, and we are honored that they would entrust us to build such statement pieces that will hopefully be with them for decades to come. These are the type of projects that I really love doing. A big reason why my business partner and I took over our venture, and right now I'm in the pursuit of my happiness. I wanted to take the opportunity to film this build, mostly for my benefit, and hopefully others will enjoy the video as well. As we go through random images of the build, I just wanted to offer a quick disclaimer. This really isn't a how-to video, just a simple record of how I built this. So if you see any of my unsafe workshop practices or my controversial pocket hole build, please ignore that. So that said, the wood I'm using is poplar for the rails and legs and white birch for the panels, all which will be painted. The top is made from walnut plywood and will have a clear top coat. I'm using undermount drawer slides for the bottom two drawers on either side, and then traditional slides for the top drawers to maximize depth. All of them are soft close. The hardware is finished off in a nice satin black traditional knob and base plate to round off that nice cottage or farmhouse desk look. There's also some nice oil rubbed bronze metal cable grommets for the cable management. I really had a lot of fun on this build. From a simple jig to cut leg tapers to my atrocious chisel work and my budget friendly sprayer, I'm quite satisfied with the end results. So as we start to take a look at the machine dovetail drawer construction, I'll let the rest of the video speak on its own. Thank you all for watching. God bless. Enjoy the video.